Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Review Cypher. Today I'll be reviewing and unboxing the new TECNO Phantom X. This device is the upgrade to the Phantom 9 and it comes with an amazing Super AMOLED display. In case you're wondering what an AMOLED display is, it's a type of OLED display. So as far as screen goes, there's OLED, which is the best, there's Super AMOLED, which is second best, there's AMOLED, which is third best, and there's LCD, which is fourth best. The list goes on. The Phantom X is priced around $555. In Naira is about 228k. It comes in Starry blue and Monet summer. My review will focus on the physical feature, the camera, the battery life and charging time, the display, and the performance of this device. Now, let's unbox the Phantom X. Unboxing this smartphone, it's clear this is TECNO's flagship device because of its premium packaging. I couldn't help the excitement. I was in a hurry to open it, but the seal really slowed me down. The first thing you see is a card that reads, "For the ones who are worth it." A rubber case with Phantom X branded on it. And designed by Oraimo written inside. Then you see the Phantom X device. It's light, portable, and really sleek. It's way better than the Camon 17. Now you can see 3 boxes and each of them has an icon on it. The headphone looks premium and it's metallic and white in color. The next thing you find is the charger cable, which is Type-C. The next box houses the 33-watt charger. The last box comes with the SIM ejector tool and the 12 plus 1 month warranty sticker. Now, let's go back to the Phantom X and set up this device. It took me roughly 1 minute to set up this device. It was really fast. It didn't ask for SIM or Wi-Fi password. I really loved how easy it was to just start up the device. Hey Ella, call mom.
Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. You can ask me.
Hey Ella, open WhatsApp.
You can say things like,
Open music player.
sorry, I don't know the answer. You can try searching on the internet.
Hey Ella, call mom.
Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. You can ask me.
Set a reminder for tomorrow.
For what time should I set your alarm?
This voice assistant isn't as good as Siri or OK Google, but it has a lot of cool commands you can carry out, like send pictures through WhatsApp, make phone calls, open map, play music, and it also sends reminders. This device comes with a triple camera setup, like the new phones. It comes with 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide camera, 30 megapixel telephoto lens. For the front camera, it comes with the 48 megapixel and a flashlight. Also, the main camera shoots in 4K. The camera features include portrait mode, super night mode, video mode, beauty mode, film mode, autofocus mode, slow motion mode. I will show you guys some pictures I took while using this phone for some days. I focused on the portrait mode, the light mode, and I tried to find out how good the 48 megapixel and 50 megapixel was. The Phantom X comes with a 4000 mAh battery, 33 watts fast charger. This charges your phone from 0 to 100 in an hour. This device comes with an 8 gig RAM and a 256 memory. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate. For the OS, it comes with an Android 11. The gaming experience of the Phantom X is really smooth. The Helio G95 chipset and the 2 GHz octa-core processor makes games like Need for Speed and Mortal Kombat really explosive. Although you have an average of 1 hour before your battery drains, that's if you play games a lot. The Phantom S is water resistant, but I won't advise you to submerge it in water. It's also dust proof, which means you're protected against dust and extreme temperature. My overall review. Using this device for some days now, what stood out for me was the camera. Compared to other TECNO devices, the selfie experience was amazing, especially with the portrait mode. Although I think putting a front flash is quite rare. I don't think high-end devices still have this. As for the Super AMOLED screen, I think it's the best display I've seen from TECNO in a while now. For the first time, I could actually enjoy the display of a TECNO phone. The graphics could compare to the likes of Sony and Samsung. The battery life. The battery life was good. I used it for over 11 hours, but it wasn't heavy usage. But so far, I think it's really good. I also love the premium packaging that came with this device. It really gave me that Phantom feeling. Like for once, I actually felt like, wow, like I understood the meaning of Phantom, like the Phantom X. Overall, I think this device is a good upgrade for the Phantom series, and I'm excited and I can't wait to see what the next Phantom phone will look like.